Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is about how to grow your tarot business on YouTube. So at the end of this video guys, you're going to know how to use YouTube as a platform to grow your tarot business. But before all that guys, I just want to announce the winner of the free 3-item Lucky Bag Mystery Bag giveaway. And the winner is, drum roll please, Ashley Miller! Congratulations! So I'm going to PM you soon, Ashley, and we'll organise the details of your winning bag. Congratulations! If this is your first time here guys, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss any more of these videos. So as most of you know guys, I use YouTube all the time. I do my pick a card readings there, and I've got actually a lot of clientele from just doing that. And people just want some short videos to pick a card, 1, 2 or 3, and have that nice simple affirmation for the day, nice and quick. But I find it generates a lot of clientele for longer readings, which grows your business even more. So why use YouTube? Well, first of all, it's the second largest search engine in the world, and it's owned by Google. So as most of us know, if we're looking for anything online, be it a love tarot reading or tarot readers around the country or wherever you're living, you're going to go to Google and you're going to search these things. So these will all pop up in YouTube as well, and it's great to have the two of them connected and to utilize that. So what I get out of operating this way is that I get a lot more traffic into my social media platforms. So my Facebook group, my Instagram, my Twitter, all these platforms start growing just because of the YouTube stuff. So it's fantastic. And I find that a lot of my clientele grows from the base of my Facebook group, which is connected to the YouTube channel as well. So it really does flourish, and it expands so much in such a short time. So the kind of readings that worked best for me were anything to do with love readings, career guidance, financial status, relationship-y type of stuff, even whether it's a platonic or romantic relationship. All this kind of stuff worked really well for me. What I did find is that a lot of people assume that I'm a fortune teller and that what the cards say is that that's what's going to happen. I do stress so much to my clientele that I am absolutely not a fortune teller, okay? So whatever comes up in the cards, don't take in stone. This is just guidance from a higher power, and your energy connects to it, and when you pick a card, that is your energy resonating with that card. So there is a message for you, but it is not set in stone because life changes all the time and situations change all the time. So what I do guys, my kind of method for doing things is that when I have an idea for a spread or a topic of a spread, I take inspiration from events that are happening around me. So be it something around Valentine's Day, obviously you'll do some love readings. If there's Christmas or anything like that. If there's even worldwide events, like there's after been a catastrophe recently and people are worried about health situations or safety or anything like that, I will draw inspiration from a reading depending on what people need around me. And you can also look up what's trending that week, because obviously that's what YouTube and Google and everything is brilliant for. It'll generate a system for telling you what people want to know that week, what people are worried about, and then you can generate your card readings from that. So that brings us into keyword research, guys. Now, it sounds like a horrific technical type of thing, but it's actually quite simple when you get the hang of it. Supposing it's around Valentine's Day, you're doing a love reading, your keyword research is basically when you go to the search bar on YouTube or wherever and you type in love reading, have a look at what other words come up. Like you'll have monthly love reading, weekly love reading, love tarot readings, you know, all these different kind of combinations of stuff come up. So it's actually helpful if you click into 1 or 2 of those videos and see what other people are doing and what other keywords that they are using. Now, don't steal anything from them, but it's just to give yourself ideas for your keyword research, and that puts you in a higher rank on YouTube. So what you want to do guys basically is use YouTube as a personal document about who you are and what you do. So it's very important in your description that you tell everybody what the video is about, tell them a little bit about yourself and your passion for what you do, and then have all your social media links in there. Link your Facebook groups, your Twitter accounts, your Instagram, all these things. Have all your links underneath, so that way people can see you for who you are. They can DM you. They'll have a better interest and a better idea of who you are and what you're all about, and if they can actually resonate with you. And then you'll get a lot more private work and a lot more a private clientele base from just doing that, because people feel comfortable with privately talking to you then. Now, I will be doing a video, folks, on a step-by-step guide to how I conduct my own readings, you know, for instance, an Into the Weekend reading from start to finish, from the idea generation to the filming and how it all happens, okay? So, but that's for a later date, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that. Just to recap, guys, once you have your idea, you want to be hitting your trending research, hitting your keyword research, and through that you're going to get a lot more traffic into your Social media platforms, you're going to be ranking higher on YouTube pages. So when people look up love readings, you're probably going to rank 2 or 3 up there if you do your research correctly. That generates a lot more clientele and a lot more interest in your other social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And that way you're going to get more clientele and more people interested in what you do. So one of the tools that I use, folks, is a program called Keyword Search, and that's free to download for any Mac or Windows computer. And that basically shows you how high your words are ranking, and that generates a better idea for you about what words to be using. So another tool that I use, folks, is a thing called ChewBuddy, and it is an amazing, amazing thing. It brings in a lot of elements together. You've got things like your best practices, your keyword research, all these different elements. It actually gives you a checklist of what you've got to remember for your videos as well, to get the highest ranking possible. There is a free version and a paid version. Now I actually use the paid version right now because it has a lot more elements to it. I'm not affiliated with ChewBuddy or anything. They're not paying me to say this, but I do think it's a fantastic, fantastic source for you to get your videos up and running and get the popularity out there. I will do another video on how I use YouTube myself and ChewBuddy, but that's for a later date. So again, stay tuned for that. So that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoy that. That's how I use YouTube as a platform to expand my tarot business. I hope it was useful to you. I hope you got a few tips. Please leave a comment below if you have any extra tips or hints, or you have any questions for me. Let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you straight away. YouTube is a fantastic platform. Everyone should be using it. I mean, it's so simple. Everyone nearly watches it all over the world. Like you'd be going to work and you'd be just pressing on a link to a card reading or a meditation or whatever you want to use it for. But it really is a great resource and a great way to get your business bigger and bigger. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed that. If you want to see my latest video, click here and YouTube will pop a random one of my videos down here. And if you like the video, please subscribe. Love and light, guys.